I don't feel safe touching this one.
Well, let's get the
Should I hold him down?
Kind of hold them sideways. Yeah, there you go. Very nice fish.
Yep. Oh, that's a bass. It's a bass. What? It's a bass.
Eating
Oh my
skipjack.
God.
Oh, that wasn't skipjack.
That was a bluegill. Look, and he got hooked on this big of a hook. Oh, Dad, this is like a 5-pounder. Holy moly.
What kind of bass is that?
It's a largemouth, dude. How'd he get?
Okay, hold that sucker up.
Oh my gosh. This is a catfish hook. This is like a size 10 catfish hook. See that? Either, I guess you can get bass, or I can't get the hook out there.
And thank you guys for the rod.
Gosh, I can barely hold him up. Dad, get a good picture of that.
Nice
Take a
fish.
You need to take
Okay,
a
let me
picture.
switch to camera.
I'm not grabbing that thing.
Bring it up here, Cayden. You're gonna lose it.
That's a good one.
I'm
my
not
goodness.
grabbing it, dude.
Dude, sling it up on the deck.
Okay,
gonna break
it'll
my
come
line.
off. It'll come off. It'll rip his lip off if you
No,
lift it.
he's hooked pretty good.
Oh,
go
come
get
on.
the
Okay.
net.
Wait,
Give me
wait,
the keys. Run. It looks like a shark.
Dude, if I lose... Ah, my God! Dude! The hook just changed place. It got unhooked and then it hooked itself again. Okay, it's gonna move if I...
Don't sat it. Put it through its gills.
Okay, lift him up. Got it?
Ah.
Lift him up. The scale's on so you can see how much he weighs too.
Dad, where's the net?
We don't need it.
Unhook him.
Weigh him. Pull it up. Pull him all the way up.
The scale's not on, is it? This is only 12 pounds.
What do you mean only 12 pounds?
There's no way.
No,
It's only
put it
12
back on the ground. You put.
Oh,
You're
14.
not supposed to push the button.
14.
I already had it zeroed out.
All right, so now what?
Okay, now zero it out.
It
Okay, it is 0. Okay, now lift it up. 14. 13. Hold him steady. Okay, that's a good
Yep,
cat.
13.
Holy moly.
I thought this was like 20. All right, 13.
Okay, let me get a picture. Thank you.
It's like a billion of them.
Oh, I feel the snake holes.
What?
Well, Chelsea, we're gonna get salted.